everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 8 of our challenge, 28 days to splits. And we're ready to start in the butterfly pose. Today we're not going to use the weights, but we're going to make a bigger diamond. And we're going to grab our toes and we're going to fold forward. Okay. Hold there and breathe. Here's your daily mantra. I am right where I need to be. I am right where I need to be. Exhale and go a little down, little forward. Press with exhale. I am right where I need to be. 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 Nicely done. Open into the straddle. Again, we're not gonna use the bend today. We're gonna exhale and we're gonna lower down. You can do some poses here from hands, drop down to forearms and up and down and up, down. Okay, well done. Nicely done. Now we're gonna lay down on our back and we're gonna grab the band. Lay down, bend around your right leg, and now pulling these splits, pulling the leg, keeping the leg as straight as possible, pulling it towards your chest. And now open a little bit to the side. Breathe, stay here, stay with me. And up again. And now we're gonna switch sides and legs. Okay, and pull the leg in. And now let's stretch to the side. And up, and rise up, and that was your 5-minute morning stretch to splits. Okay, here's your self-love daily assignment: cook or try new food. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 9.